Welcome to our guide on unprotecting Google Sheets. Let's explore why Sheets are protected and how you can regain access. Protection helps maintain data integrity, but you may need to edit it at times. Let's unlock that potential. First, open the Google Sheets document you want to unprotect. Make sure you have permission. Next, find the Data tab at the top menu. Click on it to access sheet protection options. Select Protected Sheets and Ranges from the drop-down. A list of protected sheets will appear. Click on the protected sheet you wish to unlock and then hit Remove Protection. You're set to edit. Remember to save your changes frequently to avoid losing any important updates. Consider re-enabling protection after making edits, especially on shared documents. Always ensure that all collaborators understand changes made to the sheet. That's it. Now you can easily unprotect your Google Sheets and manage your data efficiently. For more tips on Google Sheets, don't forget to subscribe and check our other videos. Thanks for watching, and happy data managing in Google Sheets.